and even diarrhea. And we found out that these houseflies, people causing these diseases, they lead to the wastage of money during treatment. And yes, some of our master ingredients are here that we mix. We have the rosemary, we have the cypress leaves, cloves, the ginger, tobacco, eucalyptus leaves, the garlic, lemon, then the red pepper. Here is a sample of our finished products. And we also made some of the housefly traps, as you can see here. As you can observe, we have our offals here. These ones, they are fresh offals, they are not sprayed with our product. And these ones, they have already been sprayed. As you can see, you can look at the number of houseflies. Here, there are no houseflies being seen here, meaning that our product is working. And yet here, we see a number of houseflies. That is the offals. Tie them around, then we apply it as like this. Then as they enter, they fail to get their way out, and some of them fall inside this product of ours. It's the same as here, the one we made, and they die. Now, in case you find yourself in a place that has a lot of houseflies such as this, you just make these traps and then you apply them there, and the houseflies will be coming, falling in here, then die. You are controlling and you are